1 Corinthians 15:20 is the next verse. What it shows clearly what happens to the human soul after death. What it is a resurrection. In fact, the whole passage of 1 Corinthians 15:35 through 55 shows that the next step after death, which the Bible refers to as sleeping. Sleeping indicates inactivity as far as any kind of bodily aspect goes. The next step is resurrection. And that's why Paul says, hey, don't worry about those who have fallen asleep. And that relates to the next two verses I want to share. Philippians 1:21 through 23, where Paul says in a very famous verse, to be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord. Not into another body, but to be where Christ is, Abraham's bosom, heaven, those kinds of understandings of terminology, paradise. But the idea is in the presence of God is where a believer goes immediately after death. Another verse that backs that idea up is 2 Corinthians 5:6 through 8. We look forward to a future resurrection of the body, not a future reincarnation. And so we have a lot of problems with what's the next step after death. It's not reincarnation later on, it is resurrection.